nostalgia, good, unique, especially in classics. 1966 Chevrolet, old Chevy 2 Nova. I'd say similar to a Hugger orange paint on this one. Now, not only does this car look good, it sounds good, and it has plenty of power underneath the hood. Engine's been stroked to a 388. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Has a turbo hydromatic 350 behind it. 3200 stall. Power brakes, disc up front, and also fuel injected. Take a look at the front chrome. Headlight, surrounds, grille, all show well. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, check out the engine bay, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, our number, 507-386-1726. This is a steel cowl hood, FYI, fits very nicely on there. And again, you can see the condition of that paint. Vinyl cloth blend, bucket seats. B&M shifters, you can see Alpine stereo, odometer gauges, and we're going to get around to the driver's side. Start this up so you can hear it run. Sounds absolutely incredible. There are some dyno reports that have been done on this. The peak horsepower in the dyno is 424 horse, and the peak torque was 476 pound-feet of torque. And you can see how straight that thing is down the passenger side. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the box behind it, MSD Atomic EFI. We're going to check out that engine bay because that also looks as good as the rest of this car. If you want to see the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. In the description, if you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you to our website. We can see the still pictures. Look up and down the driver's side of this car. It's riding on Boyd's wheels, polished aluminum. All right. Check out this interior a little closer. Door panels also show well. And there's, probably close to 100 pictures of this car online, so you'll be able to see it from every angle. Top to bottom, inside and out, there's your odometer gauge cluster. 373 rear end, by the way. Headliner intact. One thing I also wanted to note, I try to, is remember you do have the darker tint on the side windows of this car. Make sure you know your local or state laws as far as the darkness that you can have, FYI. Just make sure you're aware of that. All right, let's fire this up. See how easily it starts. All the gauges appear to work. That was a cold start. You can tell by the water temperature to the right. Tachometer working over here. I did not have the wipers work. Tried that earlier. Blower fan works. Radio also works. And you can see the interior also finished off very nice in this one. Great throttle response. That fuel injection, and listen to this. You want to turn some heads with the way a car looks and sounds? Here it is. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the underside of that steel cowl hood. This engine bay is dressed up nicely. Again, stroke to a 388, aluminum radiator, polished and chrome all over underneath there, valve covers, intake, again, fuel injected. Listen to that. like to inquire on this 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Just so you know, that's the seat belt strap on the bottom of the door. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.